This video explains stress analysis example 10 multi-step thermal load analysis for IC soldering process. An IC having solder bumps is usually mounted and soldered on a substrate and then underfilled and cured. The curing temperatures of solder and underfill resin are different. The multi-step thermal load analysis allows you to set reach temperatures at multiple steps and set birth or death of bodies at the intermediate step. First, obtain the project file from the example topic in Ex.10 help. Opening the file directly will cause an error, so please save it first and then open it in Ex.10. Check the settings for the analysis space. Model unit is millimeter. Analysis space is 2D. Check the analysis condition settings. Stress analysis is selected as solver. Static analysis is selected as analysis type and thermal load option is selected in stress analysis tab. In step/thermal load tab, multi-step thermal load analysis is selected. Reference temperature is set to 220 degrees. And reach temperatures are set to 25, 120, 25, 85 for step 1, 2, 3 or 4. With this setup, after the solder cures in step 1, the temperature is raised to 120 degrees Celsius in step 2 before applying the underfill. After the underfill cures in step 3, the temperature is raised to the IC operating temperature in step 4. This allows for the simultaneous analysis of displacement and stress across all 4 steps. Let's review the modeling procedure. The History tab in Body Tree records the drawing history, allowing you to review the drawing steps by using Undo and Redo. In this example, the History tab shows that the model was created by applying operations such as subtract, copy, fillet, and unite to basic shapes like rectangles and circles. Check the body attributes and material constants. This model consists of 4 components: IC, PCB, solder, and underfill. For each component, the body attributes are set to BGA, PCB, SB, and UF, respectively, and the material constants are set to epoxy, glass_epoxy, solda, and under_fill. You can view the details by double-clicking each item in the project tree. What is particularly notable in this example is the birth/death setting in the analysis domain of the UF body attribute. Since the underfill is set to death in steps 1 and 2 and to birth in steps 3 and 4, it is considered part of the analysis domain starting from step 3 onward. Check the boundary conditions. No boundary conditions have been set for this model. This multi-step thermal load analysis will be performed in a completely unconstrained state. Run the analysis and review the results. Examine the distribution of the Mises equivalent stress and the displacement plot for each step. Select stress as the field type, von Mises equivalent stress as the field component, and 0.5x autoscale for the displacement plot. Additionally, in the Contour tab of the graphic settings, set the maximum value to 50 megapascal instead of using the automatic setting. In step 1, stress concentration occurs at the edges of the solder joints between the IC and the PCB. In step 2, these stresses are relieved due to the rise in temperature. In step 3, stress concentration also occurs near the interface between the underfill and the solder, and the results of step 4 show that the stresses are relieved as the temperature rises. Be sure to save your project when saving the analysis results. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.